Hello all and welcome to the Pinecrest High School AP Physics C video series. This is the course guide. You'll be happy to note that it's much briefer than last year's course guide because you already know how I operate. So first and foremost, just like last year, you will receive course notes ahead of time. One improvement that's been made is that you will get all of the notes in one comprehensive package. In addition, you will get a copy of last year's notes, again all in one package. You may notice some small additions to last year's notes. They're based on the content areas that showed up on the AP Physics 1 exam in a bit of a surprise last year. It should be noted here that the course you're taking this year is AP Physics C, Mechanics. Much of last year was also spent on mechanics. You will immediately recognize that the subject matter has been divided in much the same way. There are some slight differences, but you will see units on kinematics, you'll see Newton's laws, work and energy, impulse and momentum, oscillations, and gravitation. The division of the content is based on the course guide for AP Physics C that is published by the College Board and of course is available on the College Board AP Central website. The concepts themselves and the problem-solving techniques that you use are not any different. In each unit, we'll begin with a short but comprehensive review of last year's content. It would be a good idea to refresh yourself to some extent for each unit. This course will take each unit a little farther than we went last year, certainly in terms of the mathematics. Calculus will play a role. Don't worry unnecessarily if you're not in calculus yet. You'll get all the practical calculus you need right at the beginning in the kinematics unit. So for example, kinematics in this course is just like it was before. We're going to see the same quantities along with a couple new ones. We'll see the same formulas along with a couple new ones. Newton's laws of motion haven't changed, certainly not since last year, considering that they're over 300 years old. Work and energy, impulse and momentum, rotation, oscillations, they're all the same. In each case, we're going to expand on what we've already learned and take it a little farther than we did last year. In addition, this year, the video series has been expanded to AP Physics C. The format's the same. What you see on the smartboard during an in-class presentation has been recorded and uploaded to my YouTube channel. Links will appear on the calendar just like they did last year, and they will be green. A number of people have mentioned that viewing the videos before class lectures on a given topic worked out very well for them in AP Physics 1. I would strongly suggest giving it a try, and I can't imagine that you can think of any reason why you shouldn't. Now, as far as grading goes, you know how I operate. The structure of the course is virtually identical to last year. The only important difference is that exams count for 50% of your grade, quizzes count for 25%, everything else counts for 25%. Exams will have a multiple choice and FRQ portion. The multiple choice will consist of 35 questions on the first day, and then again 3 FRQs on the second day. You'll probably be happy to note that you won't really have any essays. Multiple choice is administered through WebAssign, as you're aware, and the bonus process for exams and quizzes is the same as it was last year, including the pink sheet. So I think that's all you really need to know. We're going to get right into it with qualitative graphical analysis. And we're going to extend what we learned last year to some new stuff. So that'll do it. And I'll see you again soon.